Welcome to CONSOLYX FP&A Intelligence, a connected financial planning and analysis platform designed to transform the way organizations plan, forecast, and make decisions. Traditional planning is often fragmented across spreadsheets, disconnected forecasts, and multiple data sources. CONSOLYX brings budgeting, forecasting, rolling forecasts, scenario planning, and financial reporting together within a single governed environment. Built on a unified finance model, the platform connects group, entity, node, department, cost center, account, period, scenario, and version, ensuring consistency across planning and reporting activities. Organizations can develop annual budgets, rolling forecasts, and multiple scenarios, including actual, budget, forecast, best case, and worst case, all within the same structure. One of CONSOLYX's most powerful capabilities is its connection with operational intelligence. Sales activity, payroll data, inventory movements, receivables, payables, and banking information can be converted into governed business drivers that support financial planning and forecasting. This enables finance teams to move beyond static budgeting and adopt a truly driver-based planning approach, where operational performance directly influences financial outcomes. Users can instantly compare actual versus budget versus forecast across the group, individual entities, departments, cost centers, and business units, providing a single source of planning truth. Integrated KPI scorecards deliver visibility into revenue growth, profitability, EBITDA, operating margin, forecast accuracy, budget achievement, and scenario performance, helping management monitor strategic objectives with confidence. Scenario planning allows finance leaders to evaluate multiple business outcomes, test assumptions, and understand the impact of changing market conditions before decisions are made. A key differentiator of CONSOLYX is drill-through intelligence. Users can move from financial statements to planning accounts, drivers, formulas, and the underlying operational transactions that generated the result, creating transparency and confidence across the planning process. For organizations operating multiple entities, CONSOLYX FP&A can also integrate seamlessly with CONSOLYX Financial Consolidation, connecting governed actuals with budgets, forecasts, and scenario models within the same enterprise framework. The result is a modern finance intelligence platform